Don't do that. But let me teach you something about credit. Just use it all of it. Max out all your credit on your cars, always. Sup, bro chachos? Titanium Tommy here, and Miguel. In today's video, we're gonna be putting on a whole lot of titanium. Now do us a favor. If you have not yet joined the Bertini fam, go ahead. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you can stay up to date on all of our future build series content. With that being said, go ahead and roll the intro. So Miguel, do you know what we're going to be installing in today's video?
What are we going to be installing?
A bunch of titanium. Do you know who makes these titanium parts?
No.
Clearly you can't read.
Oh.
JD Customs, fool.
Oh.
So in today's video, we're going to be getting rid of all of this fugly hardware. Ew. Gross. And we're going to be replacing it with Titanium Timmy approved titanium hardware. What do you think of all this hardware?
Legit.
This is going to make the engine bay look so much nicer. With that, let me show you all the parts. So, first things first. These right here, they're going to replace all of those fugly bolts and screws and banjo fitting on our TiAL blow-off valves. These cool titanium ones from JD Customs. The other thing that we're going to be doing is I purchased an engine dress-up kit from JD Customs. They're my brochachos. Now I got the basic kit. They have like 3 levels of kits. The basic, the intermediate, and I think it's the advanced. We're going to be installing the basic because I'm broke. Now there's one more thing that I bought that's way different than any other GTR has. It's a titanium engine built titanium Tommy approved plate. Custom made. You see that? It says on there, custom made titanium Tommy. At least I'm pretty sure it's what it says. Listen, bro chachos, whatever titanium Timothy puts on his GTR, you put on yours. For those who are interested, JD Customs makes titanium for everybody's vehicle, not just people with GTRs. Are you ready, Miguel?
Mm-hmm.
Well then, let's install these parts, bro chachos. Alright, I'm ready. Now, just in case for you slow son of a mamas out there, JD Customs labels every single bag with where it goes. Because they know that some of us are dumb as a bag of bricks. God damn it. Now we're going to put on those titanium bolts. Now always remember, first we get them in, then we tighten them down. Because that's kind of how screws work. Now with everything positioned where it's supposed to be, tighten down just a little bit. No need to torque these son of a guns down too much. It's not like this is like a real fast car or anything like that, you know? Alright, now let me show y'all some. Now this is no bueno. Here's the problem when you just let anybody touch your car. Let me show you. Our MAF sensor's missing a screw. That's okay because from JD Customs, we got these custom titanium ones. Nice and pretty. But look at that. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Let's change these out. I can't even find the hole. There we are. Very nice. Very nice. All right, now the oil filler neck. Now don't be a dummy and lose your mummy. Oil filler neck. Now Titanium Timbo's gonna show y'all something today. Y'all gonna learn today.
You gonna learn today?
Factory JD Custom. So much better. Look at that difference. So much better. Yippee-ki-yay, Dave. Now the headlight. Don't do that. Ground. Now this package, bro Chacho, the one with these nuts, these titanium nuts, beautiful blue nuts. Let me show you where these go. This is for this whole area right here. Now don't be a dumb boo-boo and forget to torque down to proper torque spec. Cause bro Chacho, you fixin' to have a bad day. Let's get her done. Yep, those have never been loosened before. Ooh-wee! Does that look nice? Now, the torque spec on these is... That's about right. Damn, that's on there tight. Now kids, never use your torque wrench as a breaker bar, ever. Under any circumstance, ever, ever, ever. Ever, under no circumstance. Woo! Now that's money. Money I don't have. But let me teach you something about credit. Just use it all of it. Max out all your credit on your cars, always. Spend it all the money you don't have, max out your credit cards. And when yours are maxed out, max out your wife's credit cards too. That's the wrong socket. God damn it. Whew. Wee. I need some water. Now let's do the other side and get nice and dehydrated. This way those brewskis hit real hard. All right, bro chachos, now you got the bag with the big old bolts. Let me show you where these parts, all here, go. All here, right in this area, all here. Oh boy. Whew. That's nasty. I don't think this GTR's ever been touched like that. Vacuum line bolts. All right, and now after a whole lot of hard work, we're on to the grand finale with titanium Tim Bobby. What we need to do is heat up the back of this VHB tape. This way you get a nice good stick. Make sure to use alcohol on your engine, the kind that'll blow it up. Just kidding, of course. Although if you blow up your motor, that's called natural selection. Ah, this shit's hot. Hot. Oh yeah, that's real hot. That's about to burn my hand hot. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hot. I'd hold it on there for a couple seconds while your hands burn. And then you're always gonna remember this time where you had this intimate moment with your GTR motor. Oh, baby. Oh, that looks good. Nice and aligned on there. Damn, I did a good job with my eyes. I'm blind as a bald-headed turkey. Woo-wee! So, we finished. How do you think it came out, Miguel?
I think it looks really good because now everything's like titanium in it and it just blends in really well.
Let's show them. Woo-wee! This thing came out looking money. So freaking nice. Titanium all over the place. Titanium down, titanium up, titanium to my left, titanium to more of my left, titanium to more of my left, some more titanium. I think Titanium Tom is pretty happy.
Are you?
Yep, Titanium Tim is doing good. Now with that, if you're interested, even if you're not interested in buying anything that this guy or Titanium Timberg installed in today's video, make sure you check out the links in the description box below to JD Customs website. Anything you need titanium, they got it. And I mean anything. Now do Miguel a favor. You found this video useful or entertaining or not entertaining. Do us a favor. Click the button below that says like on it. Whether you like or dislike the video, that's the button you want to click. And if you haven't already joined our community, we are a whole lot of people. All-inclusive people, of course. Like, all people. We got to make sure we state that. It's everybody is welcome. Even his kind. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, you can stay up to date on all the videos we put out, even the ones on OnlyFans. We don't have OnlyFans. Never mind. But subscribe to the community, our community. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube. With that being said, don't mess this up.
Hold up. Put good energy out into the world, right? Don't forget to pay it forward.
I can't do it. I need a new sidekick. This one's too stupid. Oh my God, this is Ricky Bobby in the real world. Oh, God damn it. Make sure you're putting out good energy into the world and you're paying it forward. These brochachos will check y'all out later. Bye now.